Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled beets from canned beets. First, drain and rinse your canned beets very well. This step is crucial for removing extra salt and ensuring a fresh flavor. Next, slice the beets into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, so they pickle evenly. Finally, sterilize your jars in boiling water for 10 minutes to ensure food safety. Now let's create that delicious pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This ensures the sugar fully dissolves and the flavors meld beautifully. With your brine ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pack the sliced beets into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Next, pour the hot pickling brine over the beets, making sure they are fully submerged. Gently tap the jars on your counter or use a non-metallic utensil to release any trapped air bubbles. This ensures proper pickling and preservation. Once filled, seal your jars tightly with their lids and let them cool completely on your counter. After cooling, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow the pickled beets to chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying. These delicious pickled beets can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks, offering a delightful, tangy side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.